Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Vista Cancun Golf and Spa Resort. Now I am in their signature category right now. This is the Master Family Suite Ocean View, and at just under 1,700 square feet, it really has a 2 to 3 bedroom configuration, and it's really fantastic for quite a few families. But I'll show you all about that. Let me show you the room right now. As soon as you walk in here to the left, you've got your microwave and a wine fridge. There is a wet bar right here. You've got a ton of storage up and down as well. Now, as we continue along, I wanted to point out that this is a bar. There's some stools that go just underneath here. And right here, you have your large sofa that does pull out into a bed. Now, it's important to keep in mind that this becomes your third bedroom when you shut the door to the master room, also the door to the connector right there. Essentially, what you have is a bedroom with an ensuite. Continuing on, you have a coffee table and a chair right here. You've got your Nespresso maker. I start my day at home that way. I love that they have that here, and you can have them replenish the pods as often as you would like. Now, one of the preferred club amenities is an upgraded, some snacks and things like that. So you see you've got your Pringles there, some M&Ms, one of my all-time favorites to snack on. And you also have a full stocked mini bar that you can have replenished as often as you like throughout your stay. Continuing along, you have the flat panel TV there. It is a smart TV. You've got your remote. I love that they have that Netflix button right on there so you can access that if you would like. You've got your plugs over here, and then right here, you're gonna have the first of the bathrooms. Now this is a half bath. You've got your vanity right here, a little bit of storage underneath. But what I love about that is you can never have enough bathrooms when traveling with family. It just makes it so much easier. Now what this room really is in its configuration is a oceanfront master suite combined with a deluxe ocean view preferred club. So that's gonna be right here through the connector. But just one little thing I wanted to point out is you do have your temperature control right here. So essentially in every single bedroom configuration, you do have the temperature control. Now continuing on into here, what you're in is now their 2 queen variety deluxe ocean view. So one of the things that I love about this particular configuration is you also have a separate door here. So that's really helpful in different family situations. Maybe there's a nanny or grandparents traveling together, but you really have that separation, but also all of the extra space and the redundancies. So right here, you're gonna have your closet. So you've got all your storage up and down here, your safe, you've got your hair dryer in addition to the steamer and scale down below. Full golf umbrella there, and then these really, really comfortable robes. I love them. They have hoods on there, so it's really like kind of wearing a really soft and comfortable hoodie, and really just a nice upgraded amenity. Continuing on in, you have a full bathroom in here. So you've got a toilet over here to the right, a large double vanity. You've got your stool to sit on, magnifying makeup mirror right there, and then a little bit of storage underneath. Now coming through here, you have the shower. A really large rainforest shower head up above. You've got your shower wand and also the shower bench to sit right here. From here, you also get those ocean views looking directly out. Now we're into the main bedroom area. You've got luggage storage above and below here. You also have this nice little bag that you can take with you when you go after your trip. Right here, you've got the 2 queen configuration. Now, in this preferred club room, altogether, they're gonna have twice daily service. You're gonna have maid service in the morning. You're also gonna have turn down service each evening where they put your slippers down and a nice chocolate on your pillow. So in between the beds, you have 2 US plugs and 2 USB plugs as well. In addition, you're gonna have all the light switches. I love that you can control those from right next to the bed. And also this really fantastic amenity of this tablet. So this is essentially replaced the program. You can access all kind of information on the hotel, dining, things like menus, same thing with the spa. You can even access tour information here, but what I love about this is that you can utilize it to order room service directly from here. And once again, in that situation, you can have it delivered just to this side of the room. Maybe there's somebody sleeping in the other one. You can also order from the pillow menu here, part of the preferred club amenities. So at the foot of the bed, you have your flat panel TV. Once again, extra redundancy. So you have 3 large screen TVs amongst this configuration. You're gonna have drawers right here. You have your mini bar underneath here as well. So once again, that's all set up, replenished as you like. And you also have your Nespresso pods and Nespresso maker. So now we're headed out to the first of the balconies. I wanted to point out this great feature that you can open the doors pocket style, and that way you have that great indoor-outdoor flow. You've got your table here and 2 chairs. Once again, this is a completely separate balcony from the other part of the room, so you can utilize that if you have kids sleeping. Now in the corner here, I love this feature. It's a nice little recliner chair. In fact, it's where this dad is going to be napping for sure. So now I'm coming back through the connector into the master living room, and now we're headed into the master bedroom. Now, one of my all-time favorite features is, of course, the door. You can shut that off completely and have a ton of privacy, which is actually really nice on a family vacation when possible. Right here, you're gonna have your closet, very similar to what we had on the other side there. You've got your storage up and down, another safe, also another hair dryer and steamer, and then those comfy robes once again. You've got more storage over here to the left, up and down, drawers underneath here to the right of me. And then as we continue on in, you've got the toilet right there, and then your double vanity right here. Extra towels underneath. You've got a small chair there, magnifying makeup mirror, and then also one of the upgraded Preferred Club amenities is this really nice preferred amenity kit, and then they always are gonna have the incense for you as well. Because this is an ultra modern, newly built hotel, you have extra plugs in here once again. Now I'm headed into the master shower. You've got your shower wand here, a really large rainforest shower head up above, and really incredible views. They have these curtains in here so that you can't really see in whatsoever, but you can see out. It's a nice little touch. And you also have this little bench where you can sit there underneath the rainforest and just soak. So once you get into the master bedroom, you can tell what this room is all about. The insane views. You have incredible views directly out in front of the bed. In fact, those are going to be your sunrise views. You also have fantastic views out to the side as well. To the side of the bed, you have two US plugs and USB plugs. You also have all of your light switches and dimmers. You're going to have another tablet over here. Once again, you have all of those redundancies, so you can order room service or your pillow menu from this side as well. As I continue on to the other side of this full king bed, you've got your large flat panel TV right here to the right. You've got two more plugs over here once again, and then you've got the mat on the floor so that when you step out of bed, you're always stepping there, and of course that's where your slippers are gonna be in the evening after turn down service. So let me elaborate a little bit more on the Preferred Club amenities. Now at this particular hotel, I think it matters more than just about any of them because they have an incredible rooftop experience that's just for Preferred Club guests. So of course you can check out our full tour of the entire resort. We recommend that you do. But up there on the rooftop, you have an amazing infinity pool looking out to the front. You have these loungers that are in the water up there. You have a huge rooftop just behind it as well. Incredible breeze and views just for adults only. So that's a double bonus if you ask me. You're also gonna have the rooftop bar just available to Preferred Club guests during the day. And then the Blue Water Grill as well, which is a lunch option just for Preferred Club guests. In addition to that, when you check into the resort, you're going to be whisked right past the check-in desk. You're going to go directly to the Preferred Club Lounge. It's a great space that you can hang out in throughout the time you're here. They have a really nice little continental breakfast and then some bites throughout the day. But what's great about that is actually the bar. And some fantastic bartenders in there. And once again, beautiful views. But throughout your entire stay, you're really going to appreciate all the extra Preferred Club amenities that come with booking this particular suite. So as I head out onto this balcony, I just wanted to show you this fantastic feature here where you have this pocket door. You can push this all the way back inside. And then when you open up those curtains, you have the views out to the bed. You have that insane indoor, outdoor living. Now you can open it up on the other side as well, and you get this really awesome cross breeze. Over here to the right, you've got two chairs and a nice large love seat here. Right there behind that is the shower. You can't see through it whatsoever. So just wanted to point that out from a privacy standpoint. But this is a huge, huge balcony. It's located very iconically on the front corner of the hotel, and this is all the way up and down this kind of suite, and you can see exactly what that's all about. So now we're in the oceanfront side. These are the doors that open up the other side of the master bedroom, and you get this insane view. There's all kinds of different colors of blue and turquoise out there. You can also see the bar out in front of me. That's actually the Palapa bar that is associated with this particular hotel. Over here, you're gonna have your table and 4 chairs. You can imagine sitting here with your family, having an incredible view from breakfast. You can order directly from the room service menu, any meal if you really want to. But this is also a fantastic place for a coffee in the morning or a nice cocktail in the evening. As we continue along, I wanted to point out that this too is a pocket door that opens up for the living room, so you can open up the entire suite if you'd like. And over here, tucked around the corner, you have this really, really nice, large, comfy day bed that's sitting there looking out at the ocean, and then also this plunge pool. When they fill it up, it's a really nice, refreshing place to sit and take in these amazing views. And if you travel with the family, of course, it's always nice to have a place where they can jump in the morning or the evening without heading back to the pool. So when you're ready to book this stunning suite or any suite at Secrets or Dreams, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We have a phenomenal relationship with them. We know the properties inside and out, and we know that collaboratively we can create the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, and your family at an amazing value.